Morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all my subscribers. 2 weeks ago, birthday ko. Ngayon lang ako mag-unboxing. Very seldom I do these activities. Kaya lang, this is my way of showing my gratitude to all those my brothers and sisters. Okay, so happy birthday to me. Okay, let's see the first one. Oh, blouse. Thank you, Sister Lenny. Oh, damit, my favorite color. Thank you. Someone made this just for me. Oh, thank you very much. Nice. Another ano to, damit. I think my kumari gave this to me. It's a dress. She bought this in Divisoria, she said. Very nice. Look, oh, diba? And then, this an envelope. Oh, what? $100. Thank you so much sa nagbigay. Look, oh. Wow. Another one. Oh, ano kaya to? Nagluluto ako. Isinigit ko. Wala akong maikonte. Wow, my favorite. My favorite bag. Oh my gosh. Oh, this bag, guys, washable. At saka ano to, hindi na, yung washable, kahit babasa ng ulan, okay lang. Thank you ha, sa nagbigay, shoulder bag, hobo bag. Thank you, my favorite style. And, what's on the envelope? Wow, another $40 Panda Express. Pagkain na naman. And of course, guys, I will not forget ha. Ito yung unang binigay sa akin, no? This is Google 10 pixels. Ito yung una ko natanggap. Advance happy birthday. Okay, thank you so much. At saka ito pa, ano kaya to? Oh, damit na naman. Wow, thank you. Blouse and pants dress. It's a dress. Set of dress. Thank you. Ano kaya to? Oh, it's another blouse. Oh. Another one. Is very seldom tayo nagpapakita ng mga unboxing activity, no? So, this is only my way of saying gratitude. Palagi silang nagbibigay pero I don't celebrate my birthday. So, I hope you enjoy it watching. Bye for now. But another bathroom accessory. Oh, yan. Mga bathroom accessory. Thank you so much sa mga nagbigay, ha. Nagbigay sa akin, guys, ng cutting board. This is a cutting board. Aluminum. Hindi na gumagamit ng plastic. So, ito ang bago ngayon. Aluminum cutting board, oh. Thank you so much sa nagbigay. One here, it is a red light therapy lamp. Oh, it makes your younger skin better light. Wow! Ang ganda nito. I think it's the best, ano? Ito yung ano niya, oh. It makes your skin young. Oh, ito yung mga laman, oh. Yan. So, tamang-tama. Tamang-tama sa pagbablog ko, no? O, meron akong salamin, di ba? At saka, meron pa siyang ganito, oh. May charger. Yan, oh. Oh. Tamang-tama sa pagbablog. Yung popuyat, no? Wow, very nice. Meron pa siyang ano, oh. Ito. Nice, oh. Ganda, guys, oh. So, guys, I hope you enjoy watching my, unboxing activity. My unboxing activity. So, of course, itong aking cellphone, I love this. May pa ng cookies. This friend of mine, meron siyang bake shop sa bahay. Thank you, Sister Betchy. And the Panda Express.